Hey drone nerds, Andrew here. Today we're checking out the brand new DJI Air 3. All right, so this is my buddy George from DJI. George, how you doing, man?
I'm doing great. How about you?
I'm doing well. So what you have in your hands right there, that's the new DJI Air 3.
Right off the bat, you notice that we have two cameras on here. Unlike the Air 2S and the Air 2 that each only had one camera, we put a second primary camera on here. And what that means is that they're using the same 1/1.3-inch sensor on both cameras.
Oh, wow. So you're getting some serious resolution out of both lenses.
Absolutely. And really, it's the amount of light we're letting in because we've also opened up the aperture on the main wide angle camera, the 24mm equivalent, to a 1.7. And then on the top camera, the 70mm medium tele, this is going to be a 2.8 aperture.
Man, that's awesome. So this will get some decent low light footage.
Absolutely. That's actually where this drone really excels. But even in the daytime, we've added omnidirectional obstacle sensing and O4 video transmission. So
yeah, this is the new drone with the O4. Tell me about O4.
Yeah, O4, this is the only drone right now with O4. You've got to use one of the new remotes, either RC2 or RCN2, but you're getting in the clearest line of sight path, you're gonna get 12.4 miles of range. And at the minimum, in a highly congested area, you'll get about a mile of range.
And that's 1080p, 60 frames a second video
Correct.
Being fed to your remote.
Correct.
That's insane. So, okay, tell me about the battery life. How long does this stay in the air?
Oof, we've really done a good number on this. 46 minutes of flight time in a drone that's going to be able to shoot in D-Log M or HLG, so you can get that 10-bit crispy video.
Where does this kind of fit in the range?
Oh, it's such a good question. Right above the Mini 3 Pro, because the Mini 3 Pro isn't going to have the second camera, it's only going to have the wide camera, and this is going to have omnidirectional obstacle sensing, and because it has the D-Log M, whereas the Mini 3 Pro only has the Cine-like, the D-Cine-like. So this is right above that and right below the Mavic 3 Classic.
So this drone not only shoots 1080p, it does 2.7K and 4K as well, yeah?
Yep, you can shoot 4K up to 100 frames per second, so you can get that nice butter, crispy, smooth slow-mo.
You can get some really like Michael Bay type of shots with that.
Yeah, exactly. And then you can even shoot for 1080p, you can shoot up to 200 frames per second.
Oh man, that's awesome.
You can do a 2.7K vertical crop, so you can go straight to social media from the drone. Unlike the Mini 3 Pro, which actually rotates the camera,
right.
And you'd be able to get that full 4K here, you're gonna get a virtual crop, and really most people are cropping down to a 2K anyways.
What about photos, stills? How many megapixels is this bad boy running?
So you can effectively take 48 megapixel photos. It is a 12 megapixel sensor on both the cameras, but we're doing quad layer technology. We're activating each pixel 4 times, and we're able to get a 48 megapixel photo that you can crop into later on, or just getting a super high res image.
So when is this available?
This is available now.
Right now?
So, yeah, you can find it in stores now. Go to your favorite dealer and they've got it in stock.
Your favorite dealer like droners.com?
Exactly.
So what are some of the combos, the bundles you can get with this?
Yeah, so Air 3 is available in 3 combos. You can get it with the RCN2. That is the remote where you have to bring your screen. That is just gonna be the drone, 1 battery, and like screws and props that you need for it with the RC. You can get the Fly More combo, which comes with that same remote, but you get 3 batteries and a charging dock and carrying case, as well as the accessories you need. Or finally, you can get my favorite combo, which comes with not only those 3 batteries and carrying case, but it comes with the RC2, which already has a built-in screen, and it is the best experience when you're flying the Air 3.
Well, George, thank you so much for your time, man. I'm really excited about this Air 3. I'm really excited to see what kind of cool content people are going to make with this thing.
Me too. I can't wait.